This is a quick video that explains if a solution is the answer to the inequality. So this looks impossible, but I'll show you some quick tricks. Okay, so here's the problem. If is x equal 5 a solution to 10 plus 125 over x less than or equal to 40? So don't feel intimidated by it. So to know if 5 is a solution to the inequality, plug 5 in for x. So let's see how that looks. So all we did was we put 5 in here in the denominator. Now it's just calculating numbers, just arithmetic. Now perform the calculation. Remember your order of operation and start with the division first. So we start with this first. So 10 plus 25. If you calculate 125 over 5, it equals to 25. So now on this side, we have 10 plus 25. So when you add that up, we get 35. Is 35 less than or equal to 40? That's what you need to ask yourself. And it is. Is 35 less than or equal to 40? Yes, 35 is less than or equal to 40. So it meets the condition of less than or equal to. 5 is a solution to the inequality. And that's all there is to that lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.